At 27, Ethan Moyo had everything money could buy.
Except the one thing money could never buy, love.
Are you crazy?
Are you hurt? I'll pay for everything.
I don't need your money. Your father's will is very clear. If you're not married in 30 days, Brian inherits the company. We have so many unpaid debts. We will find a way.
I have a proposition.
What kind?
Marry me.
You again? Are you serious?
Completely.
You don't even know me.
I know enough.
1 year.
I pay your family's debts. You become my wife.
And what happens after 1 year?
We divorce.
And you expect me to pretend to love you?
Just don't fall in love with me.
Don't worry. That won't happen.
You may kiss the bride. Ready?
Do you really live here?
Unfortunately.
For once, we agree.
1 year. Then we're done.
Perfect.
And in front of my family, we act like we're madly in love.
So, Ethan, are you happy?
Very.
You're a terrible liar.
Keep smiling.
Ethan. I didn't know you were entertaining guests.
Oh,
So you're the wife. You look incredibly handsome tonight.
my wife seems to think so too.
You're enjoying this. Don't mistake a wedding ring for acceptance. I didn't come here looking for acceptance. Then what did you come here for?
You don't have to cook.
Good.
I didn't say I wouldn't eat.
Then learn to cook.
Sir, I can't repay you. I didn't ask you to. Thank you. Thank you. My father never seemed to love my mother.
Maybe he didn't know how.
That's why I don't believe in love.
I don't hate men. I hate a world woman is expected to give up everything for a man. I promised myself I'd never become someone's possession.
You're not mine.
You deserve to know. Ethan has never been faithful to anyone. Why are you telling me this? Because I know him better than you do.
Why are you still here?
You're sick.
That's not an answer.
Go back to sleep.
You stayed. Thank you.
For what?
Staying.
Don't make it sentimental. Some people marry into wealth and forget where they came from.
Mother.
I was only making a point.
You don't have to love her. But you will respect my wife.
Why did you defend me?
Because she was wrong.
That's all? Let's see how much your perfect marriage is really worth. You all deserve to know the truth. Their marriage was never real. I knew she was a fake. My son would never—
Enough, Mother.
Enough, Mother. Ethan, let her go. She's leaving anyway.
Please don't leave. Please don't leave.
Why? Because the contract isn't finished?
Forget the contract. I care about you. I love you.
Your mother will never accept me, and I won't spend my life fighting for permission to exist. I love you too, but I choose my dignity. Ethan? Why are you here?
To talk to you. I came here because I finally understand. I was wrong. Our first marriage was a transaction. I know that now. But this time, I'm asking for your heart.
I'm asking for your heart.
Tariro Chisango, will you marry me?
Yes.
They married for a contract. They stayed for love. And sometimes, the person you never wanted becomes the person you never want to lose.